So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change video language on YouTube PC. So for that reason, first of all, let me just open up any of the browser and a video. So this video's main language is English, United States. So if we just turn on the video, select multiple authors, like you can write it down. So as you can see, this is my voice and it is being said in English. So if we just want to change the language of this video, then we can go with the gear icon right over here and simply tap on the audio track and simply tap on any of the language that you want to convert. So I will go with the Spanish. And if we just turn on the video,
autores, como si lo escribieras en un tutorial, y simplemente pulsa intro en el teclado.
as you can see, this video has been converted its language to the Spanish. So sometimes you will not get these audio track options because the owner of the video has turned on the auto dubbing. Alright, so that's how you can simply change video language on YouTube PC. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.